When it comes to windows and doors, there's only one firm that should spring to mind: Manchester Windows. With over 25 years of experience within the industry, Manchester Windows proudly creates high-quality, fully bespoke windows and doors across Manchester and beyond. But if you want stunning windows and doors, you're going to need a team of experts to create them for you, and at Manchester Windows, we can provide exactly that. Our reputation for attention to detail precedes us, and we take the time to ensure that your windows and doors are exactly what you envisioned during the design process. From tilt and turn windows to casement, sash, and even Georgian styles, we don't just guarantee good-looking results, but also durability, function, and security for your home. Every window and door concept is brought to life and is handcrafted by our skilled team, using trusted techniques and industry mastery to create the immaculate finish that Manchester Windows is known for. Our doors range includes uPVC, composite, bifold, and French doors, all created with the highest grade materials and brought to life by our production team, providing a secure and robust option for your home that won't mean compromising on style or budget. A simple call to our friendly office team will get the ball rolling, and we can start designing your perfect set of windows or external doors. For more information or to discuss your ideas, reach out to Manchester Windows today.